Oh, hey. Well, I really wish I had a before picture. You wouldn't have believed me. This trailer looked really bad. Like really bad before I got a hold of it. So anyways, I got to thinking, you gotta have paint. And this is the whole secret of my madness. You gotta have paint. I'm sure you got paint that's been in your garage, you know, since the first Trudeau was in power way back in the 70s. So what you got to do, because that's the good stuff. That's the stuff that you can't eat. That's not good at all. Really bad. So, you know, when you got paint that's got all that hard crusty stuff on top, don't throw that out. You know, I learned the hard way. So what you gonna do here now, so you know, there, you might consider that a big hole. That's just a baby hole. Don't worry about that. Now this was square tubing. Look at that. You can put your fingers right in there. Like, so that's real bad to me. So that there, you gotta like fix it. So what you gotta do, you take some of that stuff there and you just gotta like patch up your frame. You'll get it. Just be you gotta be careful. You hear crispy that crispy is? That's more crispy than Krispy Kreme donuts. So just be careful. Then you gotta like scrape up some of that rust dust, and then, you know, nicely, or dirt. There you go. See? Big hole, gone. So that way, and then when the fella Raleighs roll by, they won't even blink an eye at you. So there you go. See, that baby hole's no big deal. Like, don't worry about that. So yeah, that paint right here is like, this is a family tradition here, you know. You just, there you go. So don't waste that paint that's been in your garage for a long time. And then here's another secret I'll cut in. So promise, don't tell anybody. Do not tell anybody this secret. So what we got here, the floor's all given away in this lovely trailer. So we just gotta pick some of this stuff up. So we'll just set that camera down there for a second. Some hands-free operations. So there you go. Set the camera down. And well, you want to have help, you know, because you want to do, you know, you want to have help, right? You need someone to hold the camera. So there you go. You layer it up like so. And then this is like the secret right here. Just put that rust little piece there. Whoop. Put that back on top, and there you go. That kind of builds your floor up. Oh, like, look over there. Like, don't sweep that stuff up. Don't let that stuff go. So there you go. Just kind of there. Perfect. So then tomorrow, what you're gonna do is just layer it up with some paint, or, you know, if you're feeling really rich, get yourself some tar or spray tar, you know, and layer it up real nice, and then there you go. You got yourself a nice trailer. Just remember, don't step on that spot, and don't load anything on that spot. But, you know, it kind of makes it nice so when you're going down the highway, it's not waving at the federales. Well, I don't know. Things aren't maybe working out the way I wanted it to. Maybe I better go to that dream there. Maybe I'm going to do that. Go work on the oil line. And then that way I can at least eat tonight. Get myself some dinner. Well, that's enough shenanigans. Thanks for watching the video today. Stay safe. Thank your frontline workers. Cheers.